To begin the cooking process, I buttered my dish and set my oven to 450 degrees. I then salted and peppered the chicken. I used garlic, olive oil, honey, garum, ground coriander, vinegar, pine nuts, pitted dates, salt and pepper, and ground cumin. Now to start the sauce. First I added 2 ounces of pine nuts, which was half the container. 1/2 teaspoon minced garlic instead of 1 clove. 1 tablespoon of cumin. 1 tablespoon ground coriander. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of premium fish sauce instead of traditional garum. 1 teaspoon of honey. Here is my mother chopping 5 large pitted dates because 10 seemed a little excessive. Now we add the dates. Now, we did not include roux because we couldn't find any, nor did we add any cornstarch because the mixture was already quite thick. Here I am bringing the sauce to a boil, but I think I had overworked it after this.
Okay, so we are following an online guide on how to cook a rotisserie chicken, and so we have to let it sit out before we can put it back in the oven, so I have to cook it.
Now I am spreading the sauce over the chicken. Doesn't that look delicious?
It's not bad. It's very sweet.
I definitely taste the sweet of the dates, and I taste the cumin and the pine nuts.
It's like a party in my mouth.
Though we were not able to follow the recipe perfectly, the chicken turned out surprisingly good.